Hi, I'm Lauren Douglass, and this is Marketing After Dark, where we bring you a fresh take on the marketing industry and conversations with marketing rock stars, all happening after hours. When you are too hungover in a brainstorm and you have no juice left to be creative, try stealing something from the past. You may get lucky and go TikTok viral. That's exactly what MilkPep did when they brought back their viral 1993 Got Milk campaign that urges people to consume more milk, but this time on TikTok with the hashtag #HoldMyMilk, which is currently trending in the top 5. Which brings us to the topic of the week, Cheuginess. Most of you probably haven't heard the word cheugy, Gen Z's new descriptor for all things millennial that try too hard. If you haven't, well, it's probably because you're cheugy. Cheugy is subjective, and posts on what is cheugy have gone viral on TikTok on everything from interior design, cheuginess, to clothing, shoes, and home decor. Bad news, you're gonna have to toss your chevron prints, Hermes sandals, and mimosas. Here are some marketing trends that I think are cheugy. 1. Overly targeted ads. No, I don't want an offer to freeze my eggs while I look at hairstyles on Pinterest. 2. Beauty ads with the male voiceover. 3. Ads that are just expensive for the sake of big celebrities. I'm looking at you, Super Bowl.
Feeling good, like I should.
We still got it.
And finally, there's debate over whether the hashtag #HoldMyMilk is cheugy, as they're paying celebs and athletes big bucks to use the hashtag while doing things like dunking a ball.
Let's go!
Next up, Instagram Drops dropped recently, which helps sellers hype new products, increasing demand for limited release products like Drake and Nike's collection and Karlie Kloss's Adidas line. Scarcity has always been a strong motivator, so the virtual pop-up shop may be a smart move for marketers. If you're looking for one more meaty Twitter account to follow, we have just the one. The Whopper, as in the Burger King Whopper, now live tweets from its own Twitter account. What was its coming out tweet, you ask? What's all the hoopla about #chicking, it read. As in their brand new sandwich that may or may not be stealing the Whopper's thunder. All we have to say is, Cheuginess. The chicken sandwich wars are still red hot, and Burger King is taking a swipe at ChickfilA during Pride Month. BK will donate 40 cents from every chicken sandwich sold in June to the Human Rights Campaign, America's largest LGBTQ+ civil rights organization, adding that they will make these donations even on Sunday when Chick-fil-A is closed. You've heard of wine moms, but have you heard of Cannabis Moms? Probably not. Scary Mommy, a parenting website run by author Jill Smokler, is partnering with CureLeaf, a large integrated cannabis company, to bust stereotypes for toking moms in a new program called Cannabis Like a Mother. With the aim to bring canna-curious moms out of the closet, Scary Mommy and CureLeaf are joining the trend to push cannabis to the mainstream market. Cannabis is no longer a sketchy parking lot exchange, or more importantly, something you have to hide from your kids. Smokler of Scary Mommy argues that it actually makes her a much better mom, as she's able to tackle sleepiness and anxiety. Feel loud and proud at your school pickups, Cannabis Moms. That's it for the news. Check out our YouTube channel and like and subscribe for more.
Hey!